Hey guys, welcome to Kajsa's kitchen. And today we are going to be cooking lamingtons, an Australian traditional sponge cake with coconut and chocolate icing.
Yes, and we're going to be finishing our chocolate chip cookie shots.
Yeah.
So stay tuned for that.
First of all, we're going to be starting our chocolate chip cookie shots.
Yeah,
So let's get started.
now we're going to grease the shot glasses, but you can also use like egg cups or small teacups to do this. And we're going to use butter, so you can use a brush if you want to, but we're just going to use our hands.
Yeah. What you do is you take the little teacup or whatever kind of cup you want to use, isn't it? Or a cup that you put eggs in, obviously. And you just grease the inside. And we'll just use our fingers to get it.
And it's so fun.
You can just use whatever. That's the next shape. Make sure that the top isn't smaller than the middle part, because then you're not going to be able to get the
We do it out when you're inside.
When you are done with greasing all the little glasses or cups or shot glasses, you are now supposed to take the cookie dough and put it inside the shot glasses.
What you want to do is you want to put the cookie dough on the inside, but also go up the side of the glass for however long you want.
And make sure it's not too thin, or then the cup won't have the right shape when you take it out.
But also to make sure that you have enough space for milk on the inside, because that's what we're going to do later on.
So now you want to put your tomato shot glasses in the freezer for 20 minutes.
Yep.
So that the chocolate chip cookies will hold their shape, and after that we'll pop them in the oven. You can do it.
Have to wait for the
Chocolate chip cookie shots to cool, and then we can start putting some milk in it.
So now I'm just going to be pouring some milk into the chocolate chip cookie shot. And then you drink a little bit. You take a bite.
So now we're just covering the lamingtons. To start off, you need to make the sponge cake. Now you're going to need the sugar and the flour. So let's put it in this. Now you want to add 2 unbeaten eggs, milk, and vanilla essence to the mix.
good.
Okay, then you add the milk. And then now you want to get an electric beater and just mix it.
Or an hand beater.
I just want to mix that. We start a whole.
Then what you do is you just pour it out this, and it looks very So now we're just putting the cake, the sponge cake, into the oven.
Cocoa powder into the bowl, add the butter, vanilla extract, and boiling water. Place this bowl over a saucepan of hot water and stir. The consistency of the icing should be thin.
So now we're going to cover the lamingtons with chocolate and then put coconut shavings on it, and then we're done.
Yeah.
So let's do that.
Thank you for watching this week's episode of Sam and Kajsa's Kitchen, and make sure to tune in to next week's episode.
It's cake mess. Yeah. It's gonna end up looking like a cake. Yeah. It's not gonna be like chicken dough. Chicken dough. Chicken dough. And you're so bad at crisis, Sam. I was like, I didn't actually think it was a gun. I thought we were just like, it's just on the gas. I was like, okay. So maybe the gas leaks. I didn't think we would like die.
You know what exactly it does?
Yes, I did think you overreacted. We were just at opposite ends of the spectrum. We met in the middle, okay?
Sam, did you think there was gonna be a gas leak?
What?
Did you think there was gonna be gas leak?
Yeah. Yeah, you know what a gas leak is?
No! A gas leak is when slowly the room fills up with gas, and if you're in that room, you will die.
Yeah, but
You can't breathe.
Totally. Hey, let's replay. Who won on this? Sam! Oh my god. Holy guacamole. Do you want to sip a snowman?
No.
Or sip the butter? I never see you anymore. Come outside of the door and let me take your hand. We used to be the funniest, and now we're not. Will you tell me why? Do you want to build a smiling tent? It doesn't have to be a Lemington. Okay, bye.
Okay, if I can sit down, or to see whatever you want to cut. I can't find the Sam's phone.
I look like in a natural habitat.
You should have seen at my friend.